Hello everyone. Today we will introduce various customization options for speakers. Cone organization for loudspeakers, desired in color. The cones can be selected or customized with different colored caps. The speaker sizes are 8/10/12/15 inches. This is a common aluminum and steel material. In addition, the subwoofer can be made with single or dual magnets, and the single and dual voice coils can be selected. Now let's take a look at the speaker's pressure edges and pressure circles, which can also be customized. The speaker sizes are 8/10/12/15 inches.